Hey guys, it's Yang from Tofugami, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a lovely origami dollar butterfly. Okay, what we're going to start with is $3 or any three bills you like. You take the first one, and we are just going to fold it back and forth like an accordion. Just like that. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Okay, we're doing art, and so we don't need to be perfect. So it should look like that. When you open it up on the side, you'll see all the zigzag lines. Okay, we're going to set that aside, and we're going to pull out our two other bills. With our two bills, what we're going to do is we're going to overlap it like this, okay, about like maybe an inch in on the sides here where they're overlapping right here, just about an inch or so. That's good. We're eyeballing it. Okay, we'll flip it to the back, and we're going to fold the corner in, just eyeballing again, an inch or so. Fold the corners in. And fold that last corner in. Okay. I'm going to flip it back this way. It should look like this. Okay. We're going to start at the top, or wherever, bottom if you like, and just kind of zigzag back and forth. I'm going to flip to the back here and try to zigzag in. Okay, and try to hold the bills so that they are still feeling like they're connected while you do this folds. Okay, and this is the top piece of the butterfly. This first one that you did is the bottom. Grab a pipe cleaner. I'm choosing pink today just because it's nice and bright. Good contrast against that dollar. That's a little bit more dull in color. Okay. Now this is going to be the antenna piece, so we want to just kind of bend it on the top, connecting here all the way back to the top. We're just going to twist it. And then we're just going to snip it. That excess piece right off. Okay. And one side is a little bit longer and sticks out a little bit more. Okay. And then we just open our little wings up, and the bottom wings up. And there you go. You made your own origami dollar butterfly. This is what it looks like in the back. Okay. And my wings, I think my left side's a little bit bigger, but that's okay. There you go.